Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to solve the objective question which had appeared in the university paper in the year April 23, November 19 and April 19 under the subject Innovative Financial Service, also known as IFS. Okay, we are going to start with first April 19, then November 19, okay, and then April 2023. These three papers were available, so the way the answers for all the objectives have been noted down. So you all can go through and you all can take a screenshot of each page. Okay, chalo. We'll start with the first one. The very first is April 2019. In that we had number one was true or false. Okay, these were the true or false and the answers have been noted. The first one, financial service do not have physical existence. That is true. Cost of factoring is equal to finance cost minus operating cost. That is false. There are five types of underwriters, which is false. In venture capital, mezzanine finance is a part of expansion capital stage. That's true. Revolving credit is very much like the overdraft facility provided by bank, which is true. Bill of exchange cannot be rediscounted. False. Sub brokers can operate only on behalf of registered FIs. He cannot deal in security on his own account as principal is false. Debit card is also called as electronic check is true. Home loan is available for purchase of land as well as improvement slash extension of house. That is true. And last, CRISIL is the leading credit agency in the world. That is false. Okay. So these were the true or false along with the answers. You can go through and take a screenshot of this. Okay, now along with this, the next category which was there in objectives was math the column. Okay, so this is the math the column, and along with them, the answers have been noted side mein. So first one was DRT, which was nothing but debt recovery tribunal. That is option F. Underwriter was D, act of guarantee for sale of shares and debentures. Corporate counseling was H, which was fee based. Time bill is USENS, which was B. Securitization instrument is J. Pass through securities. Wholesale debt market is C, which is T bills. Financial service is I, which is mobilization of saving. Indigenous bill is A, which is hundis. Housing finance is E, which is fund based. And last is credit rating agency is G, which is Moody. Okay, so these were the math column under April 2019. You can go through and take a screenshot of it. Okay, now next, November 2019. The very first question was MCQ. First one, the quality of financial service rendered changes from customer to customer. This characteristic of financial service is called dash. It is variability. The owner of the equipment in a lease contract is called dash. That's a lesser. The regulator of housing finance company is dash NHB. And a clearing member who is not a trading member is called dash professional clearing member. These are the first four MCQ. There are six more which will be on the next slide. You all can go through and take a screenshot of this. Okay, next. To act as underwriter, certificate of registration must be obtained from Dash, that is SEBI. The order which is not traded will remain in the system till it is cancelled or the series expire, whichever is earlier is called at good till cancelled. Dash is the process of converting liquid, non-negotiable financial asset into security of small value. That's called securitization. And the eighth one, credit card facility is an excellent example of revolving credit. Again, you all can go through and take a screenshot of this. Okay, next, venture capital involves dash level of risk which is high, and the first credit rating agency in India is called CRISIL. Okay, now along with MCQ, the next which was there in this paper was true or false. Okay, so these are the questions of true or false along with the answers. So you can go through it once and then take a screenshot of it. Okay, now next, the last paper which was available was April 2023. Again, that was based on MCQ. The first one was Dash is a privilege of credit card offered to the family member. It's called as the add-on. It is mandatory that all public issues should be managed by Dash functioning as lead managers, which is called bankers. Dash is fund-based service stockbroking. Apex institution of housing sector is Dash, that is National Housing Bank. Under forfeiting, the client is able to get credit facility to the extent of 100% of the value of export bill. So you all can go through and take a screenshot of this. Okay, next. In accordance with bill rediscounting scheme, the bill should have maximum 90 days. The credit protection is available in without resource recourse factoring. Dash is the process of updating the account of the trading parties, that is clearing. Dash refers to the raising of finance by individual for acquisition of durable consumer goods as consumer finance. And last category dash merchant bankers can act only as advisor, that is category 1. Okay, you all can take a screenshot of this. Okay, now the last thing which was there in this paper was true or false. You can read it and then take a screenshot of this part. Okay, so these were the answers of various objective questions that had appeared in past papers. I hope everyone have taken a screenshot, prepare over it. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.